Good morning. It is Saturday and I have a bunch of stuff on my desk. Things that are from the vault, the bead vault. As I've been going through and doing reverse inventory, I found some delicious beads that I don't think anyone has seen before. Some that are already on the website, some that we're putting in a live show, but I'm gonna put it all out for you. Not all, just a small selection, just to show you what I get to look at. And if you see anything you like, you can message me. So the first thing that I found yesterday was this. This is Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. Look how gorgeous the color is. So Sleeping Beauty Turquoise is a mine that no longer is producing turquoise. I think it stopped somewhere in the 70s, and so some of the beads that you see are either old or there was old rough, and it is still being cut a little bit more currently today. This one probably, I'm not sure when we got our hands on these, somewhere in the last 5 years, but they are tumbled. And one of the things about Sleeping Beauty Turquoise is that it has a robin's egg blue. This is from the United States. Look how pretty they are. And it is a gorgeous color. It is so intense. You don't even need to wear a lot of it for it to pop. Like here's just like maybe 1 inch of Sleeping Beauty. Love it. So that would be the first thing for the show and tell. One more note, Jason and I did get to visit another turquoise mine, the Kingman. And so while the Sleeping Beauty is from Globe, Arizona, we went to Kingman, and one thing that's amazing about the turquoise is it's such a vibrant color, but when you look around where it's being mined, it's like desert, lots of browns, some cactus, and then you see this, and I think that's what makes it so special, is because the contrast between how lovely and lively these are and where it's coming from, it's just a beautiful contrast. Let's see. We handpick everything. So everything you see in the store, as usual, has been curated by us. We don't just receive shipments and sell it to you. We've handpicked every single strand that we are showing to you. And we hope you enjoyed that aspect of it. And let me get on to the next item. These are moss agates, 8 millimeters. Now, I totally forgot I had these. There must be something happening maybe in the feng shui world, because in the last year we've had so many people come in and ask for moss agate. I forgot I had these. I have like maybe, I don't know, 10 strands only that we picked out, but they are so pretty. Now there is no real moss in moss agate. That's just its name, but I wanted to show you how beautiful they are. They are translucent, and you can see inside of them, you can see the inclusion. So nice. So just a little pretty eye candy of some greens to remind you of spring growth and change. Now this is ruby and zoisite. So this is ruby. You see the red parts? It's in zoisite. Zoisite's the green part. So they do grow very close to each other and sometimes in each other. So one of the nice things about ruby and zoisite that I really like is when you can actually see the ruby. A lot of times you'll just get zoisite, but when it's red and green, it is such a pretty combination. And the price is so good on this one, and I've never shown it before. This was hidden away in a bag, and I was like, what? It needs to come out in the light of day so you guys can see how pretty it is. Now it is because it's one of our favorite stones. We do have it in so many sizes. We have a really high quality one, so you can tell the quality is a little bit different with the luster, the shine on it, and how deep the green is and how ruby like the ruby parts are. So if you ever want to see something like that, I will pop it in the show and tell. Next up, about to hit the website, are these little square plates. This on the top is green amethyst and the bottom is purple amethyst. Now green amethyst is also known as praisiolite. The purple amethyst on the bottom is just your standard amethyst, but I think what I liked about this is that it's such a cute shape, and then you can use it in sections. Look how pretty that is. So instead of using them one at a time, you can as a spacer. I would just use a whole section like this. You could just do it as a drop for an earring. Oh my gosh, wouldn't that look nice? There's something very neat about it. It reminds me of like architecture, like when you go to a building and maybe they'll do a part of it with like concrete blocks that are all stacked up, but in really pretty gemstones. So these are like little square plates. Did not get a lot of those. Lastly, these are Czech glass. And what I like about these is it's matte and shiny. And the shiny ones have a silver splash on them. And so I thought these were such springy colors that I had to show them. Ooh, let me see if I can turn on some light and that will make it prettier. Not sure, but those are glass bicones made in the Czech Republic. Then today's show, I'll just give you a quick look. These are resin beads. So resin, it's like a plastic, right? But then there's little coral bits put inside to make it look, it has a more natural feel because it's not a single color. And then we paired ours with pearls. So you can make bracelets. We like how these turned out. And then I have some Lotus beads that are carved. They're jade, not many left. We made some mixes, so you didn't have to buy every strand in order to get the mixed colors. What can you make with mixed colors? You can make, look how cute. This is just the yellow and the orange pumpkin color. And these are the greens and the orange jades. And then I have the typical green. Now the green one, I think because they're like lotus buds, here, can you see that? I'm gonna take out the black spacers and I'm thinking, what if I do a necklace and then I hang them like just like the lotus is coming down? It'd have to be a thicker necklace to support like the visual weight of these. I'll let you see that when I make it. That's the update. See anything you like, let me know. If we have it, we can get it out to you. Have a wonderful weekend. It is Saturday. Do something wonderful for yourself. Make something. Okay, bye.